on the breakdown train. Every day the Fat Controller came to catch his train. Okay, sir. There were all sorts of trucks in the yard. Thomas bumped them and pushed them everywhere for the bigger engines. He pushed them into the station for another engine to take away. One day Thomas was shunting in the yard when he saw some strange cranes. "That's the breakdown train," said his driver. "It's for lifting engines, coaches and trucks back onto the rails." One day he was in the yard. There was an engine whistling. It was James. On, faster, faster," said the trucks. James was going very fast to his station. Thomas went to chase after him. There was another engine waiting, and then James rocketed by. On, faster, faster. Ah! I don't want to go any faster. Ah, my brakes, they're on fire. Ah! Use your brakes. Use your brakes. I can't. My brake blocks are on fire. They're made of wood. I'm going to try and couple up behind you, James. I'm going to try and slow you down. Hurry, Thomas. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Ah! Wah! Couple me up. Couple me up. I need to slow James down. Oh, try again, try again. We mustn't give up. We have to try. Ah. Come on, Thomas. Wah! Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Wah! 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 I'm coming off the rails. James. Edward was right. Cars can push an engine right off the rails. Oh. Stay right there, James. We'll go and get help. James is off the line. Get the breakdown train quickly. And Thomas was coupled up. Hurry, hurry, hurry. He wasn't trying to sound like Gordon. He really meant it. Bother his trucks and their checks. I hope her James is all right. James was still in the field. When Thomas came along. Don't worry, James. We'll have you back on the rails in no time. He pulled the unhurt trucks out of the way. Oh, stop pushing. I hope this will teach you troublesome trucks a lesson. Thomas was bumping them backwards and forwards all day. Then James was lifted back onto the line. I'll help you back to the shed, James. Oh, thank you, Thomas. When they got back to the shed, Sir Topham Hatt was waiting for them. I am very pleased with you, Thomas. You shall have your own branch line. And you, James, you shall have some new brakes and new coat of paint. And that will be all. I, Thomas, pops up and down his branch line with his two coaches, Annie and Clarabel. When he got to the junction, he always had Henry or Edward to talk to. Gordon never had time to talk, but he always was so poop poop, little Thomas. And Thomas would reply, peep peep, and when he saw James, he was nice and red.